Best Living Room Partition Wall Design 2023. Transform your living space with the latest and most stylish living room partition wall design trends of 2023. In this video, we showcase the best ideas to redefine your living room, creating a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Key features: modern elegance. Discover sleek and contemporary partition wall designs that add a touch of modern elegance to your living room. Space optimization. Learn how to maximize your living space with clever partition solutions, creating separate zones without sacrificing openness. Versatility. Explore versatile designs that cater to various interior styles, from minimalistic to eclectic, ensuring a seamless integration into your existing decor. Functional storage. Uncover partition walls that serve a dual purpose by incorporating functional storage solutions, keeping your living area clutter-free. Natural elements. Embrace the beauty of nature with designs that incorporate natural elements, bringing a sense of tranquility and balance to your living space. DIY friendly. Get inspired by budget-friendly and DIY partition wall ideas that allow you to personalize your space without breaking the bank. Tech integration. Stay on trend with partition designs that seamlessly integrate technology, creating a modern and connected living environment. Explore the latest trends and get ready to transform your living room into a stylish haven. Whether you're a fan of contemporary aesthetics or crave a touch of nature in your home, this video has something for everyone. Elevate your living space in 2023 and make a statement with the best living room partition wall designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring home decor ideas.